Hey y'all, sometimes when you are working on an exercise in CodeHS, you start with a blank screen like this and it's hard to know where to start. So just wanted to give you a tip on how to get started. If you click on, first of all, if you click on the assignment tab above this screen, you'll see the instructions for the assignment are restated. This is handy to come back to often because it will tell you specifics like what position to use and add the rotation attribute and set it to these particular numbers. But mostly I like this because it says, like it says here, if you've forgotten how to make a plane, so in this assignment I'm supposed to make a plane. So if you've forgotten how to make a plane, check the Docs tab. All right, so if you go to this Docs tab up here, it's actually really nice. It gives you a screen like this, and then you can find lots of examples, and there's this table of contents right here up at the top. So I'm trying to make a plane in this one, so I'll go to adding a plane, click that, and it takes me to the adding a plane section. Um, you know, take just 30 seconds to scan through what's in the adding a plane section because you don't want to just immediately start copy pasting code because you want to kind of get an understanding of what it's trying to tell you here. And so, first of all, I see it gives me this basic code for a plane. That's not going to help us very much. However, the second example code here looks like it has some attributes that would be more useful. So I'm going to grab that whole thing, highlight that whole thing, copy, and then I can paste it into my code and go from there. Another thing you can do here is click this example link, and it will bring up a whole new screen, like with code. I'm not sure if you could see me move my screen there. With code and a run code button, so I can see what it does. So I hope those tips help. If not, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. If you get in touch on email and send me a picture of what you're looking at on your screen, I'm happy to give you hints on where to go next. All right, hang in there.